There's a wonderful book out called Democracy's Detectives by James Hamilton. Be democracy's detectives, journalists. You are truth finders. You're not storytellers. Resist the tyranny of the narrative, which forces us to come up with characters, with drama, with plot twists, which rewards toxicity. You are truth finders who work with storytelling media. And for citizens, we are the storytellers. We are the sense makers. We tell stories to make sense of things, of who we are, how we fit into this world. In an attention economy, our attention is a powerful commodity. It's our path to agency. We must choose how we focus our attention, not squander it to clickbait headlines that reward toxicity. Play hard to get. Let's not be cheap dates. Our attention is our power.